Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Ivy Scholar Prep. Today we will again continue the series of GMAT Quant and we are going to solve one more problem today. Now let's look at that. Okay, let's look at this example. This involves average, which is the part of statics, right? So I would like you to try out this problem first. Just pause the video for 2 minutes and try to solve it, and I'll be there. Okay, now I hope by now you must have solved this. If not, let's look at how are we going to do it. Now, the first thing you need to understand the information. This says if Ravi makes a contribution. So before Ravi there was 5 people, and this says contribution size will increase by 50%, reaching out to $60 per person. So what is the size of Ravi's donation? So how are we doing it? If you look at the average concept, you simply say, right, like this is total. So if you divide total by number of things, you actually get the average. So total divided by number of things, you actually get the average. Total divided by average, you get number of things. If you multiply these two, you get total. Now, how are we going to approach this? It says initially there were only 5 contributions, so number of things were 5. Now let's say their average was x. Now, okay, now let's look at that. The moment Ravi comes in the picture, there will be 6 members and average will be $60. So total of these people will be using 360. Now, when you look at the initial information, it says average will increase by 50%. So my initial average was x. Now this will increase by 50%. So every number is always going to be 100% of itself. So either I do it, I say x plus 50% of x. That offers me 60. Or you do it straight away, you say x into 150% of it, which is equals to 60. So it's going to be one and the same thing. Now, how do you approach it? You say 3, this is by 2. So x is equals to 60 into 2 by 3, which offers us 40. So the initial average comes down to 40 only. So x will be replaced by 40 only. Now 40 into 5, how much you get it? You get it 200. So in 200, if you add Ravi, the addition will come down to 360, and if I need to get the value of Ravi, so you can get it easily now, because 200 plus Ravi is 360. So Ravi is eventually only $160, nothing else. That's it. I hope you guys got it. So the answer has to be here, $160. So that's correct answer. I believe you understood this. If not, but still if you have some doubts and you want to ask more about the GMAT prep, please reach out to me on this number and on this email address. I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.